And in business news, the Nigeria Deposit Insurance Corporation's Interim Management Committee has approved an increase in the maximum deposit insurance coverage levels for all licensed deposit-taking financial institutions with immediate effect. Managing Director, Chief Executive of the corporation said this decision was to ensure that the coverage was limited but adequate enough to protect a large number of depositors, credible enough to prevent the destabilizing effect of the banking sector. Helen Osamede Akins reports.
Principle 8 of the International Association of Deposit Issuers Core Principles for Effective Deposit Insurance advised jurisdictions to periodically review their deposit insurance coverage to ensure that it is credible and cover large majority of depositors to prevent risk of bank runs, but leave a substantial amount of deposits exposed to market discipline. Based on this and many more, the Interim Management Committee of NDIC has now increased the minimum deposit insurance coverage levels for all licensed deposit-taking financial institutions. The adjustments have Deposit Money Bank's maximum deposit insurance coverage from 500,000 naira to 5 million naira, which will provide full coverage of 98.98% of the total depositors, compared with the current coverage of 98.20%. For microfinance banks, the minimum deposit insurance coverage moved from 200,000 naira to 2 million naira to provide full coverage of 99.27% of the total depositors, compared with the current level of 98.76%.
In terms of value of deposit covered, the revised coverage will increase the value of deposit covered by deposit insurance to 25.37%, compared with the current cover of 6.31% of total value of deposits. For microfinance banks, will increase the value of deposits covered by deposit insurance to 34.43%, compared with 14.38% of total value of deposits currently covered.
Primary mortgage banks have its minimum deposit insurance coverage from 500,000 naira to 2 million naira and would provide full coverage of 99.34% of the total depositors, compared with the current 97.98%.
The adoption of the revised maximum deposit insurance coverage is supported by the corporation's current funding, represented by the balances in the various deposit insurance funds, expected annual premium collection, enhanced supervision that will reduce the likelihood of bank failures, effective bank resolution framework, and other funding arrangements provided by the NDIC Act of 2023.
The Nigerian Deposit Insurance Corporation is charged with the primary objective of protecting depositors and contributing to financial system stability with the four core mandates of deposit guarantee, bank supervision, distress resolution, and bank liquidation. Helen Osamede Akins, TVC News, Abuja.